Today, I'm going to give you an easy guide to 5 palettes and how these palettes can be used to stamp an autumn design using one stamping plate. I wanted you to see how each color combination transforms the stamp design to fit the season. The first palette that I have, I named Pretty in Neutral. I know. Next palette I have is called Warm and Rich, kind of bringing in the neutrals with like a beautiful burgundy. The next one is called Berry Fall, which looking at this definitely speaks very berry. The next collection I have is Kickin Leaves. This definitely screams your quintessential autumn. And the last color palette, this one is called Autumn Spaces. That's what I put. So there you go. Again, I think that this gives you a whole lot of options. I feel like the color palette will definitely help to simplify according to what your needs are.